And it says on the side, Polish Falcons of America. So yeah, I wonder what that's all about, and I'm gonna check it out. Because that's yeah, so if this is not the Polish neighborhood now, guys, then maybe that used to be, of course. Because yeah, here, see, it says the Polish Falcons of America. And I wonder what these Falcons did, but there's still cameras on this building, so on this property, so I don't want to poke around, you know, get people to call the cops on me and stuff. But you can see the steeple of the church from here, and you could sure as hell probably hear the Sunday bells tolling for mass. So yeah, see, you got a lot of this, guys. This is that 30% of just buildings that have been barber, beauty shop, and a liquor store. Oh yeah, that's where a lot of Polish guys would hold on to their own. Would hold on to their own if this was a Polish and black neighborhood. Oh wow, look at that site there, guys, with the arch. With the arch and everything. Right, so there's a bike lane here now on these main roads. So I imagine St. Louis is probably pretty bike friendly. And I realize no one apart from Jungle Harry is gonna, how you doing, Phil? No one's gonna cycle. Apart from yours truly, Jungle Harry. Right now in the winter time. Yeah, it's a bit hilly here, but not too bad. Oh, I spoke too soon. Climbing this hill. Another church, big church steeple there. Going 2, 3, like 4 more blocks. if anybody, that guy looks very foolish. He's the first white man I seen. So this place supposedly is coming up right here. J.W. Piekutowski Distributors. And actually this was the one I saw on the YouTube TV, on the YouTube channel. Wow, all these houses abandoned here, man. Nice properties too. Somebody's got a Rolls Royce in there. Old broken down Rolls. Well, let's have a look. It should be on the right here. There we go. Something saying sausage here. Piekutowski or European style sausage. Wow. Wow. So right, so we're sort of locked up here, and we're gonna try to get some sausage actually, because you know guys, one of the best ways to hydrate yourself and keep your belly full but be able to snack a little bit is dry sausage. So that's what we're gonna do here. Wow, look at this. Quaint, small, but that's all you need. You see how, oh wow, blood sausage. They got blood sausage too. Krot 720, yeah, that's, hey,